Buildertrend's free trial gives access to scheduling, budgeting, and client communication in one place, but it's not actually free long-term. That's the first thing to know, because a lot of free construction software in 2026 is really limited or trial-based. By the end of this, you'll know which construction management tools are actually free, what they're good at, and which one makes sense for your business. Here's the short answer. If you want truly free construction management software, your best options right now are Trello, ClickUp, and Airtable. If you want construction-specific tools, most of those are paid, but some offer free plans or trial access. Start with Trello. Trello works well for small remodelers or solo contractors. You can build boards for jobs, create checklists for inspections, and track project stages like estimate, materials, in progress, and completed. It's simple. No built-in invoicing, no job costing, and no crew time tracking. But for organizing jobs, it works. Next is ClickUp. ClickUp gives you task lists, calendars, file storage, and time tracking in the free plan. That makes it stronger than Trello if you're managing multiple crews or deadlines. A practical setup looks like this. Create one workspace. Make each client a project. Break the project into phases like demolition, framing, and finishing. Then assign deadlines. That gives you a lightweight construction workflow without paying. Then there's Airtable. Airtable works better if you care about custom databases. You can track materials, subcontractors, permits, and project budgets in one place. It takes longer to set up. But once it's built, it's flexible enough to replace spreadsheets. Now for construction-specific options. Buildertrend, Procore, and Jobber all have stronger features like estimating, scheduling, and customer portals, but they're paid products. Their free access usually means demos or short trials. That matters, because if you need RFIs, change orders, or client approvals, general free tools will feel limited fast. So what should you pick? If you're solo, start with Trello. If you have a small team and need time tracking, start with ClickUp. If you manage a lot of moving parts like materials and subcontractors, use Airtable. That's the breakdown. Free usually means flexible, not specialized. Trello is easiest, ClickUp is the most balanced, and Airtable is the most customizable. Your next step is simple. Test one tool on your next live project before moving your whole workflow. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more construction software breakdowns.